Alright, it is time for part 2 of Örsviken, as I had no idea that there is such a beautiful rocky beach, as I have first just embarked on the sandy part over there that has also some tiny rocks, and I took a swim. But then as I was um, heading to the next beach that's on the other side of the cliffs over here, I saw this beauty with two jumping slash diving platforms, and then one also jetty on floating on the water, and even one entrance to the sea as well. It looks absolutely stunning. If there was sun, it would have been perfect. But we have some heavy clouds approaching, so yeah, it is what it is. Okay, now there is a glimpse of sun while I said that. It's very strange, but yeah. 31st of May, the day is today. It is 12 o'clock right now, Friday, and I am out exploring the west coast of Sweden. And this is actually part of Kungsbacka municipality. That's part of Halland region. And it's actually, I have traveled to Gothenburg, or in Swedish Göteborg, which is part of Västra Götaland region. Yes, so I will be here on the west coast, mostly in Gothenburg, for 3 days, and I'm gonna explore different beaches. And after having the early morning train ride for 3 hours from Stockholm, I have arrived, and then I took the 3-day pass for the public transport. So I'm gonna be exploring using like buses, trams, and boats for the archipelago of Gothenburg. So yeah, Örsviken, this is the beach. I mean the main part of the beach, because earlier I have shown you this smaller sandy part, as I didn't notice that there is a beach over here. It was a bit hidden, to be fair. So now the question is if I'm going to jump into the sea, which has temperature of 16 degrees over here. Over there at the beginning of the bay it was 17. So let's see, maybe I can then swim off to the floating surface, and then I can jump from there maybe, or just jump from here. Why not? Let's go. It's warm enough for me to jump in, so I really hope it is deep enough, otherwise why would they have put a diving board over here, and even a higher one right next to this one. So this one is maybe 1 meter, I don't know. It doesn't look that deep, but I will try to jump as far as I can. Alright, then beach adventure number 2 on my Gothenburg beach adventures on the west coast. To be fair, this is in different region, a different municipality, but just on the border. Alright, are we ready for the dive in the sea? It looks so amazing. I'm so happy that I am able to explore at this last day of May. And yes, 23 degrees Celsius is in the air, so quite warm for the time being. Are we ready? Then let's go! Oh yeah, it was deep enough, for real. And the water is so salty and so nice. It's brilliant, absolutely amazing. Let's swim to the jetty over there, and I can show you also the more dangerous diving board. I jumped first from the small one because I wasn't really sure of the depth, to be fair, but it's amazing, absolutely stunning. Yes, maybe I will get too attached to this west coast and move here to Gothenburg. What do you say? Or I'm still Team Stockholm. I know there is a bit of fight between the Stockholm and Gothenburg, like anywhere else in all these countries. Not fight, but everyone claims that their coast is the best coast. Same with the US, LA versus New York. East Coast and west coast. Okay, now I'm on the jetty, floating jetty on the sea, and it's absolutely stunning. If there was sun, it would have been perfect. But yeah, then I'm going to jump now and then swim off again. So let's go again. Amazing. Despite being 16 degrees, I don't feel cold at all. Maybe because it's 23 in the air, and maybe because I'm used to swimming in zero temperatures, frozen lakes in Stockholm. Cool, then that's episode 2 from Örsviken on the actual beach. Beautiful rocky beach with several jumping platforms out on the sea. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Queen.